Good day, friends, and welcome to Wisdom on Wednesdays. Today, I want to ask you, how do you learn? And I'm not talking academic knowledge. I'm talking about the issues of life. How do you choose your friends, relationships? How do you make decisions regarding your future, finances? How do you deal with conflict? How do you deal with stress? How do you deal with difficult people? How do you make difficult decisions? How do you deal with opportunities? When do you say no to certain challenges? You know those things. How do you learn wisdom so that you can make the right choices? Now, there's two ways of learning. The one is you learn through experience, but that normally comes at a cost. The second way is you learn from someone else's experience, and that is much cheaper. And that is the shortcut of the wise, is people that find the ability to learn from other people's experiences. Why don't we want to learn from other people's experiences? Well, it might be pride, it might be stubbornness. I don't know what your reasons might be, but normally it's silly reasons that we don't want to learn from other people. How do we learn from other people? Well, it might be people that you don't even know, but you can read their books. You can listen to their messages on YouTube or another channel. It might be a church service that you attend. You're listening to a pastor that's preaching. Or it might be people that you know. Maybe your parents, maybe someone that loves you, someone that is close to you. And you know that Proverbs 4 says that we should learn from other people's experiences. Listen to this. Verse 1, Hear, O son, a father's instruction, and be attentive that you may gain insight. Listen to verse 13. Keep hold of instruction. Do not let her go, for she is your life. Friends, choose the shortcut for the wise. God bless you, and may you have a nice day. I see you next week on Wisdom on Wednesdays.